Sathi Samawati.
Respected principal sir, my faculty members, staff members, and my friends who are already here, and these all present students. Just I would like to say, it's very difficult for me to control the emotions after being here after 40 years. Just 40 years back in 1985, I joined here as a JT. At that time, junior teacher was a designation of PGT as a biology teacher. 4 years I taught, 5 years I taught here. And during that 5 years, there are many students I taught, but I don't know how they all could get the information and how could they gather together. It is clear from the bonding with me, bonding with teacher, that they have all gathered here with me and they are all with me. I taught them, some of them in class 4, some of them in class 5, like that in lower classes. In 1987, the Arunachal became statehood. 20th February statehood in 1987. Now, I am the person of this school who first of all hoisted the flag of statehood in this school. And the total age of mine is 66 years. I am 66 years old. Out of that, I have served in Arunachal Pradesh 34 years. 34 years of service I have done in Arunachal Pradesh. And 32 years I have been in my native place. Just you can imagine, 34 years here, 32 years in my native place. I am more Arunachali than to be from my native place. अपने घर में जितना था उससे ज़्यादा तो यहाँ में अपना जिंदगी हम सर्विस किया. So in 1990, I got the appointment as a lecturer and I went to JN College, joined as a lecturer. 90 onwards, from 90 onwards up to 2014, I was at JN College, and from JN College also again I was transferred to Teju College. Teju College, 5 years I was there, and in 2019 I got retired and went to my hometown. But during that time, during period of the 1985 to 2019, many students are there, still having the bonding with me, still we talk together, still we communicate together. And I would like to tell you yesterday's event. One of my students to whom I taught here, Sile, he is from Rani, Dr. Kaling Kamuk. Now he is medical officer, senior medical officer in Boling, from Rani village. The moment he came to know that sir is coming to Pasighat, he came from Boling, went to Dibrugarh yesterday. Yesterday I landed from the flight at Dibrugarh. That doctor fellow, my student, went to Dibrugarh just to receive me. वो अपना गाड़ी में जाके हमको वहाँ से लेके आया है, डिब्रूगढ़ गया है, वहाँ से लेके पासीघाट गया है. So this bonding, it's very difficult to control the emotion or such type of bonding with the students, with the teacher. However, you all are the young. Most, I think, if we trace out the name of your parents, most of you, parents of most of you might have been taught by me. अगर पता किया जाए आप लोगों के मम्मी पापा के बारे में, जिले में अगर पढ़ा होगा, तो शायद उनको हम पढ़ाया भी होगा, आप लोग के मम्मी पापा को भी. So you are the youngsters, you are the future of the state. You do hard. You do maximum whatever you can do, because you see, success has no shortcut. There is no shortcut for the success. For the getting success, you have to do hard, whatever field you are in. अगर साइंस फील्ड में हो तो साइंस का अच्छा मेहनत करना है, अगर ह्यूमैनिटी में हो तो ह्यूमैनिटी में भी अच्छा मेहनत करना है. जिस फील्ड में भी हो वहाँ में अच्छा मेहनत करो, आपको सफलता निश्चित मिलेगी. For excel in your life, you have to do hard. You have to do hard with the dedication, with enthusiasm. So I would like to suggest you to do hard, to make success of dream of your parents and success of your life. Okay? So whatever field you are studying, in that field you do very much hard with dedication and targeted preparation. Whatever you do with the targeted preparation. If you are in science, decide need medical or engineering and proceed ahead with the labor, with the hard work. If you are in humanity, decide where you are willing to go and decide accordingly and proceed ahead with the hard study. Okay? So this is my suggestion to you that there is no shortcut for the success. You have to make hard labor. You have to put dedications. You have to put your maximum efforts for getting success. Thank you.